5 subscribers. So I went to Game Zone and I win these eggs with a machine, and everyone, let's open it. Let's see which character it is first. It's this bird. And we also have this, and let's see the next egg. It also has this, and it has a character in it, and it's a dinosaur. Then that I was just playing. These toys are tidying them up. Yeah, I got them from Game Zone. That's a cockroach and that's a poo. That's a poo. And that's a cockroach. But they are not actually real. See, this is like... See, if you do this, look, it's like this, and then if you do this, it's like this. Subscribe for the channel.